Welcome back to our Goofy Partner tutorial series. In the first video, we showed you how to register. Today, we'll cover logging into the partner portal and setting up your first important settings. In our example, the account was approved without any additional questions. After receiving the confirmation email, you can either click the partner portal button directly in the email or go to our website. gogoofy.de. Top right, click Login. Then the purple button Partner Portal. Enter your login details and you're now in your personal dashboard. In the dashboard, you can change the language. Currently, Dutch, English, French, and German are available. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode. On the top right, you'll see a bell with a red number. This is where your notifications appear. Click on the right to view the names and profile images and then see the drop-down menu on My Profile. Here you can edit your information. Select country, state, and city. Enter your contact phone number. Upload a profile picture, ideally your company logo. Location, enter your company's headquarters. In the section Why Choose Me? You can highlight your strengths. Title, what you do, e.g. electrician, photographer, hairdresser. Description, a short description of your services. Reasons, why customers should book you. You can add multiple reasons. Important, don't forget to click update at the end so everything is saved. Under change password, you can update your password. Enter your current password once, then your new password twice. Done. Now a very important step, your working hours. In the slots menu, choose the days and times you want to work. Example, Monday from 8 to 16, with a break from 12 to 13. Repeat this for each weekday you want to be available. Always click Save at the end. In the next video, we'll create your first service together and show you how to add your bank details so you can receive your payouts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact our support team directly. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video.